Hi guys, this is Unboxing Tech, and today I'm here with the Galaxy Watch 6, and I'm showing off all the Ringke Bezel stylings that are compatible. Got a lot to cover, so let's get going. First, let's do a small unboxing. When we open up the box, we're immediately greeted with the bezel styling. The text here says there are additional accessories underneath the packaging, and when we check, we see some extra adhesives hidden away back here along with the instruction sheet. The installation of the bezel styling is very simple. This little handle here is the film over an adhesive tape. This is how the bezel styling is installed onto the watch. Before we put it on, make sure to clean off your watch. Then, go ahead and grab hold of this handle and very gently peel it off. There's a marker here to indicate the top of the bezel, so you can use that as an indicator of how to center the bezel styling onto the watch. Just press it onto the watch face and apply even pressure all around to get the adhesive to stick. The bezel styling is made of solid stainless steel. It's also CNC processed to engrave the numbers into the surface rather than just paint them on. The Ringke bezel styling is slim so as to not add extra bulk or weight to your watch. It's more for cosmetic purposes than for protective means. However, there is still a lifted edge surrounding the screen to give them some form of protection. Unfortunately, the bezel styling sits on the outside of the screen, so it won't work with full coverage screen protectors. The standard bezel stylings come in these three unique designs. Which one speaks to you? There's also a premium bezel styling line available, such as this one. It comes with a blue removal pick that doesn't come with the standard design. And here's how it looks. This one has a lot more frills and little details compared to the standard design. It's also slightly bulkier, though not by much. But it is twice the weight. The general installation process is the same. There's an adhesive on the bottom that lets the bezel styling stick to the surface of the watch. Make sure it's centered and press it on to a clean watch. Although the bezel styling on the left has a ridged edge, it's not a rotating bezel as the Galaxy Watch 6 doesn't have such a function. To remove the premium bezel styling, take the removal pick and push it into the crevice between the watch and bezel and it'll pop right off. If you want to exchange the adhesive of your bezel styling, the process is easy using the extra adhesives provided to us. Go ahead and peel off the original adhesive on the bezel styling first. Then take the extra adhesive and place it on carefully, following the curve of the bezel styling. I used 4 adhesives, leaving 4 more extra for another time. From here, we'll go ahead and slowly take off the blue plastic. Make sure you don't accidentally take off the adhesive while doing so. After that, just like before, just center the bezel styling accordingly and press it onto the watch. And you're ready to go! So those are the Ringke bezel styling for the Galaxy Watch 6. These are a popular choice for Galaxy Watch users as they're made of high quality materials and also gives your smartwatch an elegant new look. The links to these products can be found in the description box. As usual, I hope this video was of some help to you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!